Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. For years, I loved the Denali, but the interior was killing it for me. And just wait until we go inside. With this facelift, you have a new front fascia. Definitely, you can see not a huge change. New wheels, Ultimate badging. Denali Ultimate was a thing from 2019 on. It was just an option pack. Now, it is its own thing. 6.2 liter V8, 10-speed automatic. We'll take a walk out back here. Again, absolutely gorgeous 6-way multi-pro tailgate. But here is where things change. Take a look at this. Absolutely gorgeous leather trim. Alpine umber. Oh. And you can see it has the terrain map in the leather, and it carries on throughout. It's the original window sticker of this example, 86,640. This one does have Super Cruise. This is sterling metallic. This Bose sound system, I'm a fan of Bose. I have been for a while. There's something special about this one. And you'll notice here in some of the Ultimate badging, you'll notice coordinates. What are those? That's the summit of the Denali Mountain in Alaska. So those coordinates right there are for the summit of Denali, which is pretty cool. You see Denali embroidered there. I noticed it on the Canyon Denali that I just reviewed earlier today. I said, what are those coordinates for? A little bit of research. It's the summit of Denali. Look at this suede headliner. This truck is what GMC was missing. This is gorgeous. The interiors were getting very, very dated. And now we're back to modern day. This is absolutely stunning. Of course, this one does have Super Cruise, but being a CPO example, I don't think the subscription is activated. Unfortunately, I almost bought the subscription just for the video. But again, you know, the highways around here, you have to be on specific mapped roads. Not 100% familiar with the area, so we have maybe a quarter mile on the highway. Wasn't a great place to test it out anyways. There are tons of videos doing Super Cruise, and I was very excited to try the system. I've heard it's one of the best, but I'll just have to find a brand new one in demo mode with Super Cruise enabled. 6.2 liter V8, 420 horse, 10-speed automatic. On this pretty bumpy road here. Just came out of the ZR2 Silverado. So it's not nearly as rough as that. It's actually pretty solid ride. That is a compliment, guys. That's not an insult. So like I said earlier, the biggest thing with this 2023 Denali Ultimate is the interior, the new infotainment system, the new digital display with 4 very, very different gauge cluster modes. You have classic, you have progressive, which is what we were on, you have full digital, and you have clean. We're gonna go progressive. Now let's continue this ride down the handling bit with a nice, beautiful cruise around the lake, which really, we have a boat, a family boat, like a little 26-foot pontoon boat, and I haven't been on it this year because I've just been so tied up and busy. Looking out at the lake, man, I think I'm gonna go out on the boat this weekend. Take the boat out for a cruise. Oh, no, I'm working this Sunday. No! Oh, last day of the month things. Sunday after, I'm going out on the boat. I don't care. I've said this in all of my reviews so far today, not built for handling. However, the truck will get itself around a corner with no worries. Driving position, I'm extremely comfortable. I'm a truck guy. Every time we get a truck in inventory at the store I work for, I gotta spend time with it. I love trucks. I mean, my father's had a truck ever since I've known him, so I think it's that family aspect of always having a truck in the family. So just being comfortable with it. But I do love this truck. The price point, it's high, okay? I'm not gonna lie and say that I ever thought I would see $100,000 trucks, and we're getting very, very, very close to that point, if not above that point, with some Raptors, some Rebel TRXs, definitely touching that point, and with dealers actually probably selling some of these for over $100,000. Here's where I think my opinion is going to vary from the vast majority. It's worth it. I said it. You guys are gonna hate me. Yes, I do think that the days of $30,000 to $40,000 trucks are 100% missed, and getting a lot of truck for your $40,000. Let's be honest, inflation, just the technology that has to come standard due to federal mandates, we can't go back to those days, and we have to realize those days are gone. Yes, work trucks still exist, and you can get a pretty good deal on a basic work truck. But I think the market for these trucks is growing a lot faster. And it makes 100% sense that these trucks are becoming more and more popular, because the demand for these trucks is there. People realize that they want all the bells and whistles in the world with all the capability possible. So taking Bentley-like luxury and putting it in this package makes for probably the best single car solution for the working American. Yeah, okay, whoever's working can afford this, they're working pretty darn hard. But for the owner of a company, let's say you own a construction company, this is the perfect truck for you. You have the luxury to let you know you've made it, give you that feeling, you know, and be basked in luxury and get the ooh-ah effect from friends, family, and anybody who looks inside this truck. but you also have the ability to tow a trailer. You have the bed for all the utility aspects of a truck. And I think a lot of people just get sucked up in the massive price tag of these trucks, and they don't realize that the market for these trucks is growing at an exponential rate. People want the utility of a pickup truck with the feel of a Bentley, and we're getting very, very close with trucks like this. You know, think about the King Ranch F-150s, the Ram Limited and Longhorn editions. Those trucks, you can't keep them in stock. Last time we had one in inventory pre-owned, it went like that. You know, and right now we have a Ram 2500 Laramie with $24,000 in options, and we have had so much interest in that truck. Yes, is $90,000 a lot of money for a pickup truck? It is. But this is a heck of a lot of pickup truck for your money. And I think this is a heck of a lot of car for the money as well. And I feel like everybody's so afraid to admit that this truck is worth the money. And in some ways, you start looking at the materials and everything, the price is justified. And in fact, it can kind of be seen as a bargain in some lights. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.